In this lecture, we are going to integrate Cloudflare into our WP Rocket Cache plugin. First of all, log in into your Cloudflare account and then go to this top right corner and select My Profile. You will be taken to your profile page where scroll down and you can view your global API key for Cloudflare. Now click on this View API Key button. Then you will be shown your Cloudflare Global API. Just select it, copy it, and then come to Cloudflare tab on our WP Rocket Cache plugin. If you don't see Cloudflare tab, then go to Add-ons tab first, enable Cloudflare. Now the Cloudflare tab would be visible. Open the tab, paste your Cloudflare Global API key, enter your Cloudflare email in this box, and enter your domain here. Choose off for development mode and choose on for optimal Cloudflare settings if this is the only domain that you have added to Cloudflare. If you have added multiple websites, then choose off for optimal settings too. But if you have installed WP Rocket Cache in all the other domains that you have added to Cloudflare, then also you can choose on under this optimal settings option. If you are using HTTPS everywhere, that is, if you have installed SSL certificate on your domain and chosen flexible SSL on Cloudflare, then choose on here. Else, if you are using HTTP protocol, then choose off. Though I use HTTPS everywhere, I chose to use off for this option since I am using full option under Cloudflare SSL instead of flexible. You may do that too. This is a widely compatible and safer option. Click Save Changes button and then click Clear all Cloudflare cache files. As of now, you have completed configuring WP Rocket Cache plugin to the 100%. Beyond this, there are a few settings which doesn't affect your page loading time or page speed grade at any cost. They are just a few tools and options. Let's see them in the next lecture.